If you're thinking to learn Python but not sure why you should do that, here are the top 5 reasons which highlight the benefits of learning Python in 2020. So without any delay, let's get started. Firstly, Python is a general purpose programming language. In technical terms, it's an object-oriented high-level programming language. High-level language is nothing but the language which we speak, and the low-level language is nothing but the binary language which computers understand. And Python is released in 1991. Main reason why most of the beginners and experienced programmers prefer Python is because it's very simple and easy to learn. Let's see that with a small example. Here is the example to print the name using Java and using Python. You can see the difference between them, and you can also see the difference between their complexity and see how Python is simple when compared with other languages, and it's also very easy to learn. Once you get a complete grip of Python language, you have many options or domains to choose in which you are interested in. Because Python is not just tied to one thing. Python is used in web development, artificial intelligence, big data, data science, machine learning, and lot more. Once you learn Python, you can do many things. You need a community to learn a new technology. When it comes to new programming language, you often get stuck sometimes with one or the other issue. At that time, you need a helping hand, right? Nowadays, we have Google for everything. We can solve any problems related to Python in minutes. But there are communities like Stack Overflow which gathers all the Python experts together to help the new ones. With the help of these communities, you can solve all the problems related to Python, which makes your workflow easier. Python is growing really very fast. It does not mean that Java is slowing down or C++ are declining. If you are new to programming world or want to learn a new programming language, Python is the best suggested language at present in 2020. It not only helps you to get your job quickly, it also accelerates your career growth. This should be one of the most important reasons to learn Python at present in 2020. Python developers are one of the highest paid developers in the world. The average salary of Python developer is ranging from $70,000 to $150,000. It depends upon your work location and the domain you are working and also your experience. If you like this video, please like, and if you have any queries regarding this video, do comment and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.